Good morning, students. Today we will extend our concept of the continuity. Uh, they we studied that how we can prove the continuity of any function at any point, and even we also study that how we can find the continuity of any function at any interval. Today we study a very regular question. Example number 11. It is find all the points of discontinuity. Meaning we want to find that at what point function is discontinuous. Okay, this is function and question is x plus 2 less than 1, x equal to 1 it is 0, and x greater than 1 it is x minus 2. Now few good things I will tell you here that how we can do. We want to find that at what point function is discontinuous. We have to check by the same method. We will check the continuity by the same method. But here if we'll see that how many points are pairing here. Actually these are infinite points. All x which are less than 1, we will first find the continuity at all those x which are less than 1. Then we will find all the continuity of the function at all x which are greater than 1, and exactly at x equal to 1 we will also find. Look at the three sentences. First we will choose all the points which are less than 1, then second we will choose all the points which is greater than 1, and now at exactly 1, what about the function, the continuity function? Okay, so first of all I again tell you that we'll choose the point which is less than 1. Look at here, look at here. This is 1, this is 0, suppose. This is infinite plus infinite. And first I'll start at first thing, that x is equal to any point a which is less than 1. The meaning is I have taken the point x is equal to not 1, not 0, not minus 1, not minus 2, not minus 3. But especially I have taken as a symbol x equal to a, which is showing all less than 1 quantity. All less than 1 quantity. Meaning now we are finding that at x equal to a, which is less than 1, which is being here. Which is being here. Now I'll go with the right hand limit. For we have to go for both the limit. Right hand limit is limit x tends to a plus function. Now question is, what is a function? That day only when I started this, I explained thoroughly all, and I think you remember that x tends to a plus, meaning x is coming to a from the right direction, meaning x is here which is coming to a from the right direction, and maintain the small gap. You can't take x here, you have to take x near to the a, and that in position, if you will see, even it is a right hand limit, but when you will see this portion, x looks greater than a. X is being greater than a. When x is coming to a from the right side, x is greater than, we talk about 1. We talk about 1. In all the sense, when x is coming to the a, it is a less than 1. It is actually the question is, what is f of x? Either this or this or this. What is f of x? So we'll see in how the concept here. When x is coming to a from the right direction, x is coming to a from the right direction, it will appear here, and ultimately it is a less than 1. It is a less than 1. So I'll choose x less than 1, which is x plus 2. Very important thing. When I'll change this, I taught you in a the small trick here. You turn this h tends to 0. Instead of x, you write a plus h plus 2, and when h is going to 0, it is a plus 2. This is the right hand limit. I'll go on a left hand limit now. Look at properly. It is a left hand limit. It is limit x tends to a minus function. Now question is, what is function? Either this or this. So let me again speak one thing. When x is coming to a from the left direction, x will come from the left direction to a, it will appear here. And it is coming to a from the left direction, ultimately it is again less than 1, again less than 1. So look at when x less than 1, it is x plus 2. And here I want to share with you one very important thing. For right hand limit, the function is x plus 2. For left hand limit, again function is same. When for both limit, function is same, the value of the function is also same. Again, for if both limit, function is same, the value is again the same, it will definitely come same. Like if you change in a h tends to 0, it will be a minus h plus 2. When h going to 0, it is a plus 2. Look at both are same. It is not a and, we just have to go, it is a second. Now at x equal to a, now first x equal to a less than 1. Now x equal to a, we have taken first for right hand limit x tends to a plus, second x tends to a minus, it is a left hand limit, and third is f of a, all the limit. You know, remember that limit x tends to a plus f of x, limit x tends to a minus f of x, and f of a. So if I ask you that what is f of a, so I would say that x equal to a. Simple tell me that what is f of x. So look at x equal to a, which is the point this one, which is this one, and ultimately that a is again when x equal to a. First it extends to a plus when x was coming to a from the right side. Second extends to a minus when x was coming to the left side. Now lastly we will find f of a. So what is function will choose? Either this or this. Again when x equal to a will choose, it is again less than 1. So meaning function is x plus 2 again. X plus 2. When I choose f of a, it is a plus 2. All are same. All are same. So again I would speak one thing. When in right hand limit, in left hand limit, for main value, if function are same, value are also same. So I would write that function is continuous at x equal to a, which is less than 1. So all x is equal to a which are less than 1, function is become here the continuous. Now similarly what I will use here, that function will be continuous for all x greater than 1. This is x less than 1, this is greater than 1. For all point, if you choose any point here, for right hand limit, for left hand limit, and main value, function will be definitely limits will be same and function will be continuous. So student here the major thing is what? For all x less than 1, function is continuous, because for right hand limit, for left hand limit, or mean value, function is same. For all x greater than 1, if I choose for right hand limit, for left hand limit, and main value, again function will be same. When function will be same, function is continuous. Now we discuss finally, very important thing, we discuss finally that the continuity of function at x equal to exactly 1. That is a major point. You know, I tell you one thing, function may be discontinuous when for left hand limit and right hand limit function get vary. Here look, for right hand limit and left hand limit function was same, but you know, function may be discontinuous when function vary for right hand limit and left hand limit. Look at here, may possible. If I go for exactly right hand limit if I choose, I ask you that what is f of x. So look at student, you have to think about much. 1 plus. What is the meaning of 1 plus? X is coming to 1 from right side. When x is coming to 1 from the right side, if you see the scenario, it looks x is greater than 1. X is greater than 1. So x is greater than 1 meaning x minus 2. You write x minus 2 here. So turn is in the h. Right, instead of x is 1 plus h minus 2. When h is being 0, it is minus 1. And student, you should first think that for 1 x tends to 1 plus, x tends to 1 minus, for right hand limit and for left hand limit, and lastly what? At exactly at x equal to 1, all should same. But at exactly x equal to 1, the value of function is what? 0. And it is minus 1. Hence that function is actually not continuous. Even if you're not sure or you're not satisfied with my sentence, you can go ahead. For right hand limit what says? Left hand limit what says? X tends to 1 minus. Even I tell you one thing, that it doesn't find out. It doesn't necessary to find out. Why? Because this value and this value must same. Still you are thinking, sir, how it is? Because we should know that left hand limit, right hand limit, and main value should equal. It is the right hand limit value. And what about that? This is the value of the function at x equal to 1, meaning it is f of 1. It is f of 1, and f of 1 is what? 0. And f of 1 should equal to f of 1 plus and f of 1, sorry, x tends to 1 plus and x tends to 1 minus. But this time, okay, if you're not satisfied with my sentence, go ahead for 1 minus. I tell you that what to do. Limit x tends to 1 minus. Speak here what is f of x. When x is coming to 1 from left direction, when x is coming to 1 from the left direction, if you see the scenario, you will see that that x, when it's coming from the left side, it is a less than 1. When x less than 1, this comes. Now look my sentence, that for right hand limit function was x minus 2, and for left hand limit function change. And when function gets changed, value might be changed. Like what? When you will change h tends to 0, it will be 1 minus h plus 2, and h is getting 0, 2 and 1, 3. Look at, this is minus 1 and this is 3. Both are not same. And I tell you one thing, that x tends to, since x tends to 1 plus and function and limit x tends to 1 minus function are not same, function is discontinuous, because both are not same. At x equal to 1. Question was what asked? For all the points of discontinuity, meaning this function is discontinuous at what point? So I would say function is continuous for all x is less than 1, function is continuous for all x greater than 1, but function is discontinuous at exactly x equal to 1. Again I speak one thing, you should remember, I simply tell you that this, when this, this, and lastly f of a meaning f of 1, if these three will be equal, function will be continuous at x equal to 1. This value is 1 plus right hand limit is what? Minus 1. This was minus 1, and this is coming what? 3. Both are not same, I know it is 3. And what about f of 1? I asked you f of 1. So look at f of 1, meaning at x equal to 1, function value is 0, meaning this is what? 0. These two are not same. I told you, this and this are not same. Even student, if you will not do this, you can compare minus 1 also not equal to 0, because this is already a provided value. Meaning, if you will not do this term, and if you will write that this is not equal to this, meaning function is discontinuous. Okay, we have done, no worry about it, and we can write till here. Now student, whatever will put a question on the board, if this condition will come, I will leave this total, because now we should come to know that in that case only, if we'll choose any point which is x less than 1, function will not vary for right hand limit, function will not vary for left hand limit, function will not vary for exactly that value which is less than 1. Meaning, when function is not varying, function is the value of all the limits will be same, function will be continuous. So we will write directly that for all x less than 1 and for all x greater than 1, function is continuous. And lastly, we will write this sentence only. So please keep remember, now onward we will write same. Okay, now this was a question, important question it was. Now let me speak some more. We'll see some more questions which can be solved. Look at. This is example number 11 it was. Now question is, example number 13 I take. Discuss the continuity. Very easy question it is, but for practice it is discuss the continuity. It is f of x is equal to x and x square. Look at. Question is very simple question, but for practice it is good. Look at the situation. Again discuss the continuity, not specially specified that at what point we have to find the continuity or discontinuity. So we will definitely take all the points. How many points are pending here? Infinite point. Where it is looking? This is 0. X greater than 0. Infinite point. X less than 0. Infinite point. So first of all, what we will take? We used to take what? Any value x rough. I'm taking this in rough work. At any value x equal to a which is less than 0. For all less than 0, function will be continuous, because that time only when x is equal to a, when less than 0 will take all will come under this x square. Function will be x square. Still confused? Now this time not, because we start the question, let x equal to a chosen which is less than 0, because already I have told that these are not a single point. You don't have to discuss the continuity at only x equal to 0, but here we have infinite point. First we discuss the continuity at all x which is less than 0. Look at here, this is 0, and first of all we'll discuss the continuity at all x equal to which is less than 0, meaning we choose a here. For right hand limit for a, left hand limit for a, main value a, for all definitely they are less than 0, function will be same, and function is same, function is continuous. So we directly write here function is continuous at all x greater than 0 and for all x less than 0. So we won't discuss now the continuity of the function at all x greater than 0 and all x less than 0, because only at one point 0 at which it is yet to discuss the continuity, because for 0 function getting vary. Now finally we discuss the continuity at x is equal to 0. I ask you one thing, that what is right hand limit? X tends to 0 plus function. What is its meaning? When x is coming to 0 from right side. When x is coming to 0 from the right side. In this scenario, x is greater than 0. So x is greater than 0, meaning function will be chosen x. So here you will write x. Now turn as a h. What you will write here? 0 plus h. H is getting 0, answer 0. Now if I choose a left hand limit, now when x is coming to 0 from the left side, in that case only x is coming to 0 from left side, in that case only x is less than 0. Look at, when x less than 0, x square. Now I want to pull your attention, student, here only, that for right hand limit function x, and for left hand limit function change, meaning function may be discontinuous. But after solving that, when we'll choose h tends to 0, I'll write instead of x is 0 minus h square. When h tends to 0 is being here, 0 minus 0 square. Same answer. Okay, fortunately both are same. Not all the time, but it is time. Okay, now last sentence is at x equal to 0, what will be chosen? Function will be chosen at x equal to 0. Function is again x. When I choose f of 0, which is f of a like, it is again 0. Meaning what coming? Limit x tends to 0 plus function is coming equal to limit x tends to 0 minus function, and lastly it is f of 0. It is x tends to a plus, x tends to a minus, and f of a, like that. Function, if all three same, function is continuous at x equal to 0. That is the answer of this question. So hope student is good enough for the day. You do try, you can start the exercise, and based on this particular you can make a question. So thank you.